Want to run Android apps on Windows 11? I'll share the easiest way to do it. Stay tuned for a quick and efficient solution to bring Android functionality to your Windows 11 experience. Access the link that I posted in the description below, and as you can see, this is the BlueStacks official webpage. Now what you have to do in here is simply click on the green download button, which downloads the BlueStacks 5. Basically, the difference between BlueStacks 5 and BlueStacks 10 is that BlueStacks 5 is an app for your PC, and the BlueStacks 10 runs directly on the browser. So basically it's like a cloud gaming app installer platform. So let's just click on the green download button afterwards, make sure to select a location for your download, and click on the save button, then minimize the browser, and double-click on the installer file. Now, the next step you have to do is maybe customize the installation if you want to. If you want to change the folder, otherwise you can just click on the Install Now button, or you can press back and just click on the blue Install Now button. This can take a few minutes, but don't lose patience, and afterwards you'll see that the installation will finish. Now you can see that the BlueStacks application has been installed on your PC. That means that after the installation process finished, the app will start automatically. So now, for example, if you want to install an Android app, you can click on the Play Store, which is by default in the BlueStacks software, and afterwards you have to make sure to sign in on Google Play. So in here, make sure to input your credentials for your Google Play account, and voila, after you logged in, as you can see, you have Google Play on your PC, just as if you would have it on your phone in here. You can just search for apps and games. Let's say Among Us, and it's just ready to go. If you click on install, you will see that the game will install just like any normal Android app on your phone. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.